Welcome to the Nexgrill Model 8100029 assembly video. Before we begin, reference your owner's manual to make sure all of your grill's parts are accounted for. Note that you'll also need a Phillips head screwdriver, adjustable wrench, and 3mm hex wrench to complete the assembly. If you have any questions or concerns during the assembly process, please call the customer service line on your screen. Let's do this. We'll begin by assembling the cart legs. First, insert the right rear cart leg into the left rear cart leg like so. Then repeat this step for the front cart legs. Next, attach the cart bottom frame to the cart legs using 4 A-screws, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. After that, secure the cart frames to each side of the cart using 4 A-screws and 4 J-nuts per side. Next, we'll install the wheels on the right side of the cart by inserting the wheel axle through the holes on the bottom of the right cart legs. Then secure each wheel to the wheel axle using 1 H-screw apiece. Next, find the charcoal bowl assembly, then remove and set aside the 2 pre-assembled screws found on the bottom lip. After that, install the main lid stoppers by sliding them into place over the vacant screw holes and reinstalling the screws. Next, flip the charcoal bowl assembly over, like so, and install the ventilation adjustment bracket using 2 E-screws and 2 G-nuts. Once secure, assemble the handle by supporting the bracket from the inside of the bowl and sliding the handle cap into place like so. With the charcoal bowl assembled, we'll now carefully set it on top of the cart and secure it in place using 4 A-screws and 4 J-nuts. Next, we'll assemble the left side shelf by installing 2 triangle brackets on its bottom side using 2 C-screws apiece. After that, position the shelf to the left side of the charcoal bowl like so, and secure it in place using 4 B-screws. 2 from the outside of the charcoal bowl, and 2 from the inside. Next, we'll assemble the main lid handle. To do so, remove the 2 pre-assembled screws found at each end of the handle like so. Then position the handle over the holes located on the front of the main lid, and reinstall the screws to secure the handle in place. Next, find the charcoal chimney and unscrew its nut like so. Then remove the lid and set it aside. After that, insert the charcoal chimney lid through the hole located on the top of the main lid like so. Then secure the chimney in place using 3 C-screws and reinstall the chimney's lid. Next, find the temperature gauge and remove its pre-installed nuts and washers. After that, insert the gauge into its housing, then slide it through the top of the main lid like so. To secure, reinstall the nuts and washers from the inside of the lid. With the main lid assembled, we'll now carefully set it on top of the charcoal bowl and secure it in place using 1 D-screw on each side of the lid. Next, we'll assemble the smoker lid handle. Just like before, remove the 2 pre-assembled screws found at each end of the handle, then position the handle over the holes located at the front of the smoker lid and reinstall the screws to secure the handle in place. Next, find the smoker lid stopper and remove its pre-assembled screws and nuts. Position the stopper at the top of the smoker lid body like so, then reinstall the stopper's screws and nuts to secure it in place. Next, install the smoker support bracket on the left side of the smoker bowl using 2 C-screws. After that, carefully set the smoker lid body on top of the bowl like so. Then open the lid and secure the lid body in place using your hex wrench and 4 F screws. With your smoker fully assembled, we'll now mount it to the main bowl. To do so, slightly loosen the 3 pre-assembled screws located on the left side of the smoker and slide it into place like so. Once mounted, secure the smoker in place using 3 C screws from the inside of the main bowl and 1 B screw down below the bowl. Then retighten the pre-assembled screws you loosened before. After that, set the main charcoal tray into the main bowl, followed by the warming rack, the main cooking grids, and finally, the smoker cooking grids. Your Nexgrill 29-inch barrel charcoal grill with smoker is now assembled and ready to go. Now get out there and grill something different.